Hey guys, so today we'll be unboxing the Bowers&Wilkins 606 bookshelf speakers. I'm very curious to see how they are. Are they really that good, like they say on Wood Hi-Fi? We will check. That was really difficult to take. Actually, okay. Nice. Alrighty. So what we got inside? Pretty nice manual. Those are your feet. And manual. Let's check that out real quick. Presentation is fairly good. I can see that already. Alrighty. So, Bowers&Wilkins. Looks like some kind of catalog. With all the Diamond series and other products. Pretty nice, pretty cool. Warranty informations and manual. So that's that. And we also have some bass ports plugs. Those are pretty good quality, I have to say. Okay, and let's check out the speakers themselves. Alright. I've never had speakers in something like that. All of them have some wood or steel in here. Okay, but it's okay, it looks good, I would say. And another speaker. So the grills are already attached. I will remove them real quick. So how we can do that? Oh, that was like that. Pretty simple. And those are the grills. This kind of very weird packaging, I have to say, but it works, you know. The grills are magnetic. Alright, and the speakers themselves look pretty good. The new Continuum material feels really nice. All the fingerprints, I think, will be visible on those, but okay. So the speakers, bass port looks okay. It's funny thing because you can see through that Continuum from the back. I can't really show you. Oh, you can slightly see that. It's the Continuum woofer is very transparent. Bowers&Wilkins 606, designed in the UK by BMW Group, made in China. Yeah. Terminals look pretty good, although they are not gold plated, but looks fairly good, I have to say. Overall, the cabinet looks much better than KEF Q350. And packaging also, but that's a whole other topic.